Today's featured pickup truck of the day is a 1971 Chevrolet C10, and this one is a resto mod. I'll read you the seller's comments at my local classic car auction, and the comments were 71 Chevy C10 pickup, beautiful resto mod in midnight blue, metallic over beige, 350 V8, vintage air, power front disc brakes, full gauges, custom tweed interior, 18-inch American Racing polished mag wheels, and dual exhaust. And it doesn't mention the mileage or anything, but being a resto mod, it doesn't mean as much. But it was a good looking truck. It had kind of a purple tint to it. And it bid to $36,000, but did not sell at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, back in February of 21. And I just found the footage and figured I'd put it on here. Somebody probably would enjoy it. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1971 Chevrolet C10 long bed, long box, however you look at it, pickup truck that bid to $36,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a resto mod in midnight blue with the 350 V8, vintage air conditioning, power front disc brakes, full gauges, a custom tweed interior, and 18-inch American Racing polished mag wheels and dual exhaust. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.